Okay, let's see how you can use AGen application to replace Excel data capturing. So first, log into the AGen application. Click login. Okay, click the Excel capture. So now is the time to just scan the barcode. On. Okay, you can see barcode saved. Okay, all the barcode saved. That's it. So let's look at the result now. So in order to view the result, you just come back to the server. See, the data will be automatically posted to the server. All you need to do is click export. Export to Excel. That's it. Okay, you can handle multiple users, collect data back to the same server.